In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset FaceTime on your iPhone by rebooting it in iOS settings. Whether you're facing some issues with FaceTime or just want to ensure it's set up correctly, these simple steps will guide you through the process to refresh your FaceTime settings. To get started, first, you'll want to pull up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the home screen, look for the gear-shaped icon and give it a tap. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Apps. Inside this section, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for the FaceTime app and tap on it. Once you're in the FaceTime settings, you'll see a switch at the top. This is the toggle that turns FaceTime on and off. Go ahead and switch it off by tapping on it. You'll notice the switch turns from green to grey, indicating that FaceTime is now off. It's okay if it takes a moment. You might see a short delay as your iPhone processes the change. Now that FaceTime is off, you'll want to turn it back on. Simply tap the same switch you just turned off. The toggle should slide back to green, indicating that FaceTime is enabled again. Be patient though, it could take a few seconds to activate, especially if your Apple ID needs to be verified during this process. If you're still experiencing issues, there's an optional step that might help. Consider signing out and then signing back into FaceTime. To do this, look within the FaceTime settings for your Apple ID. You'll see your Apple ID listed here. Tap on it and you'll find the option to sign out. Select sign out and then, when prompted, sign back in by entering your Apple ID credentials. This can help refresh the connection with Apple's servers and may resolve persistent issues. After completing these steps, it's always a good idea to give your iPhone a quick restart. This ensures all changes you've made take full effect and any lingering glitches are cleared away. Just perform a standard restart by holding down the power button until you see the slider to power off, and then slide it to turn your phone off. Once powered off, hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo, indicating your iPhone is restarting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to reset FaceTime on your iPhone with ease. This process is not only useful for resolving technical hiccups, but also for refreshing your overall FaceTime experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.